For this lesson, we'll be looking at ethics in business and what happens when people do not behave ethically. Ethics are personal beliefs and behaviors of an individual. Being ethical includes being kind, being truthful to customers, dressing appropriately, adhering to the law, and treating fellow employees with respect at all times. Being unethical includes lying to customers, stealing from the business, keeping illegal trade secrets, harassing fellow employees or customers, and being an unkind person. Ethics are important for businesses so that management and employees are honest and fair to their customers and fellow employees. So what happens when an individual acts unethically? There are many processes in place to ensure if people behave unethically, they get into trouble, can lose their jobs, or even go to jail. These processes are to protect the owners, the fellow employees, and customers of a business. His or her behavior can likely harm others physically and emotionally. The individual can also be sent to jail for his or her actions. One type of behavior of businesses being unethical is called fraud. Fraud is lying or pretending. Some businesses mislead customers and trick them into buying their products or services. The Competition Act of 2002 bans false or misleading advertising such as bait and switch selling, which is to show one product but get a different, worse alternative when the person actually makes the sale. Double ticketing items for sale is tricking customers into believing a product is one price when it's actually more expensive. Another type of unethical behavior are accounting scandals. This is when accountants or senior executives alter accounting records for personal benefit. A forensic accountant investigates the legal and financial documents to find evidence of tampering and can therefore claim that the accountants of the business have been stealing or doing unethical behaviors for their own personal gain. Another type of accounting unethical behavior is embezzlement. This is a type of accounting fraud. This is when an accountant or senior executive creates false accounts and redirects money into them for personal gain. Business owners rely on outside accountants and what are called auditors to check and report on the validity of financial records to ensure that accountants or executives are not stealing money and hiding it somewhere else. The last type we'll look at today is insider trading. So insider trading is buying or selling shares of a company based on confidential information. In an earlier slide you saw Martha Stewart. She ended up going to jail for insider trading. Punishments can include fining the individuals for up to $1 million, turning over all profits from the trading, jail for the persons for up to 2 years, and being banned from future trading in the stocks or securities. This is to ensure people are not withholding information from the public in order for their own personal gain. You've reached the end of this lesson presentation. Please move on to the rest of the lesson on ethics in business.